Hello and welcome. This is my car and my life. In the last episode, we removed the front bumper to start the repairs. Broken. Like that, it's loose. Something has definitely happened here. You can see. And I didn't think that needs to be repaired. Here we have some damage and some bad repairs. Really bad. Paint. The paint is peeling off. This thing I have to do something about. It's the attachment for a bumper. It should be 2 bolts, and I have to have done something to try to repair it. And I can see it has some repairs even there and there. And oh, this one is loose too. They haven't done a good job on this one. Let's see if we can get this off and reuse this one. I hope I can reuse this. It should be a plastic thing to screw into here, almost like this one here. And the one there is supposed to be here, I actually used that one for attach the skirt all the way. So it shouldn't be any rust behind this, because it's square holes with the plastic in, and you screw into the plastic. So it should be good. I did everything back then to get the car to not rust. Here we are. This one is bad, and it's bad here. We have to do something about that. Now we have to decide what to repair first. I think I will go for, let's see if we get some light here, for this thing. This is this is not nice done. I haven't done anything yet. It is in this shape, but I think we have to take everything away here, and you see all that. I think we begin with that, and maybe take this one after. Have to decide what tools to use. I'm just peeling off all. Now we're down to the old damage here. I think that's the way to go. Then we lay up some fiberglass instead of what they have used here. Now I have knocked all of this old piece away. Nice done. Actually we can position this thing where it should be. We have to take away a piece down here. Then we should be able to put this together and get it like it should be. So this is not attached here. Big block of glue. I want to lay new fiberglass, so I have to have a smooth surface. But everything that's easily removed, we will remove. This is glue you use to repair modern headlights and plastic like that. Not the fiberglass like this is. Actually, we're going through on the other side. I want to remove this. We have to grind it down instead. This is not attached at all. This is like rubber and this is hard. Yes, that's good. Remove everything that shouldn't be there. Now we can see what's under, what we have to work with here. Can do a proper repair. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.